Hi, in this tutorial we are going to see how to crochet a white ghost. So I'm using a 4.5 mm hook here with a white yarn. A slip knot to start with, and then I'm going to do 3 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Now I'm going to make a slip knot with the first chain. Now into this ring I'm going to single crochet 6 times into the ring, not into the chains but into the ring. 6 single crochets. 1 into the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through, into the ring, grab it, yarn over, pull through, into the ring, grab it, yarn over, pull through. Do that for 6 stitches. You can sew this tail in the end, that's okay. Now once 6 stitches are done, with the first chain there, if you can see there is a chain in that single crochet, I'm going to do a slip stitch. So if the chains are too tight, if the stitches are too tight, you might find it difficult to put your hook inside. So this is the slip stitch after the 6 single crochets. Now in the row 2, I'm going to chain once. So in the first row we had 6 single crochets. In the second row we are going to have 12. That is 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. So I'm going to continue that way. In row 3 there are 18 stitches. Alternatively I'm going to have 1 single crochet in 1 stitch, 2 single crochets in the next, 1 then 2, 1 then 2, it goes like that. So you'll have 18 stitches, and in the next one we're going to repeat that 24 stitches. From row 5 to 7 it's going to be 24 stitches, which means you're going to have single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch. So like this, just 1 single crochet in each stitch you're going to have for the next few rows. Now after those 24 round stitches, from row 8 to 14 I have started decreasing. So there are 2 ways to decrease. So here what I've done is, in the alternate stitches I've done a single crochet, which means in one stitch I'll do a single crochet, in the other I will just leave the stitch and move to the next stitch and do a single crochet there. So that way you keep decreasing, you just see this shape of the ghost and then keep doing that. Now I have stuffed the ghost. So you have got the shape to some extent. I've stuffed it with cotton. Now I am just cutting it out when I see that the hole is too small. Now I'm going to use a needle to sew them together. So in circles I'm going to just move the needle so that that small hole is closed. I'm going to go round and round and round until it becomes fully closed, and I'll tell you what I'll do with that tail of yarn. Until you're happy with the shape. See, I just pulled it over to the other side and then I'm just going to cut it. It's well secure that way. So we are done with the actual shape. Now all we have to do is use a black yarn to sew the eyes and the mouth. So I'm going to just start from the top and then position where I have to have the eyes, and then just 2 stitches, double stitches, double yarns, and then to the other side I just pull it out through the other side and just look for the shape how it comes. In the very next stitch I'm going to put my needle there and then try to make both the eyes look similar. So it's an evil eye, so I'm not going to make it round. I'm going to make it a small line kind of. I'm going to repeat the same for the mouth as well. Just position your needle in such a way that it is somewhere between and below the 2 eyes. So this is how I did the ghost. Hope this was useful. Do like, share and subscribe if it was useful. And happy Halloween. Thank you. Bye.